Talk shit.
MK the plug.
Club or nothing, baby.
Rule number one in my hood, there's no lacking. See me, I'm a savage, grab the rams, get cracking. Tear guts, get stabbing. What guns he's slapping, what work he mashing. Them man are just chatting, put the peps and cling, get trapping. I'm horrid, do damage. Open man's chest, get splattered in a stolen whip. No way, ain't lich. Don't trust the soul, you can die like Mitch. I've been on the roads from a young age. Real gangster fly boy, show the ops about gunplay. Got nicked for a rams, try fling me in jail. Got bagged for a shooting, try fling me and fell. When I step with my shank, I'm out here for the killing. Mum used to see me step out my yard with the kitchen. Free my cousin Rems, free little Dan. Free my cuz Keats, can't wait till he's back. The realest on West, Shepherd's Bush. Rest up whiz, I lost a lot of soldiers on my hood. Infesting guns, creep up, get bun. Rest up Ohms fam, the good die young. No cold Joe when I say I get them funds. Stepped in a rave and I shanked man's lungs. Roadside peep, got a step on my blade. Fuck pork, fuck chicks, they want my gang in the cage.
Let me start with facts. Trap house pitching, I really got a thing for just feeding them cats. I'm in love with their habits. They keep bouncing back like they're rabbits. Tic tac slanging, I really couldn't give two fucks. Up and down that M-way, trying to get these bank rolls up. I was OT living, flexing on some bankroll stuff. Then the Jakes did blam that spot, but I had a bitch next door, she was banking drugs. Like, I gotta thank my plug, cause shit got real and he helped man up. But I burnt enough bridges, orders are on man, I really ain't kidding. I told big man don't lack no slipping. So off with his front door, double tap, get laid on your back on your mum's floor. Up till this day, I bet she still has nightmares from all of the blood that she done saw. Yeah, this life ain't no joke. Why you think a nigga invest in drugs and a donny buys guns for? 5 bills for that shotty, 1.2 for that smithy. Like little man, listen, the beef's all nuts. Any up man spot, man hop out the ride, move vicious. Like this fuck boy, I for go missing. And my bros them vicious, back roads, big bikes, raw fishing. Done push bikes, up block, waist gripping. Levers on hand, belly on face like I come prepared for a mission. Combat tool in my possession, 3 R2 with things. That's a nigga who really in love with his weapons. I don't fear no one, I'm too loose while stepping. Just try pull up, it was instant wetting. Threw my arm twice, got him straight where his kidney and his neck is. He was lucky, I was aiming for his pendant. Cause that's an instant deaden. Like ha, just shot your piss. Don't slip on the glide, cause you could hold it the same way Fox did. But you can still catch me on the main strip. Mr. Runner man down, main B, yeah, they can't come around. Cause they know that my niggas too savage. 12-4, fucking anti. And we don't fuck with them snitches or facets. Hella smoke can get dished if a you want move all chatty. Like doggy, I'm way too aggy. S1 too wild, but my right hand is way too splashy. And them boy they are way too dashy.
Yeah, them boy, they're way